BITBOY believes that Shiba Inu will reach $1 by 2022. Shiba Inu was originally created as a meme cryptocurrency, but over the past few years, it has turned into a powerful cryptocurrency with a huge army of fans around the world. It has overtaken its direct competitor Dogecoin and continues its steady growth. Many analysts, initially, did not give it much importance, but they were all wrong. Now the cryptocurrency is in the top by capitalization and has a very stable price and promising prospects for future development. Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think Shiba Inu will be able to enter the top 3 cryptocurrencies in the world? Write your answers in the comments. In this form, we will consider the current price of Shiba Inu. Interesting news related to this cryptocurrency. Current price forecast for Shiba Inu. The SHIB USD pair is hovering around $0.000413 with a bullish bias and is struggling with immediate resistance from $0.000438, covered by the 50-period average of the simple movement and the upper boundary of the descending channel. If the SHIB rises above this level, it will most likely break above the channel to mark the 100 SMA at $0.000479. After that, the maximum of the range on November 19th in the area of $0.00005346 will be the next logical jump by 30% from the current price. This positive forecast is underlined by the upward movement of the moving average convergence divergence indicator above the signal line. Also note that a call has been sent to buy SHIB on a 4-hour chart. This happened yesterday when the 12th exponential moving average crossed the 26th EMA, which strengthened the bullish momentum. On the other hand, failure to hold immediate support at $0.000040 may cause the token to fall to mark the average boundary of the falling channel at $0.00003841. A further fall may lead to the fact that the price of Shiba Inu will retreat in search of solace at the level of $0.00003283, covered by the lower border of the channel. The live Shiba Inu price today is $0.000046 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $5,696,000,000 USD. We update our SHIB to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is down 9.58% in the last 24 hours. The well-known cryptanalyst Ben Armstrong, or as he is also called BITBOY, has repeatedly made forecasts for various cryptocurrencies. Tala and Shiba Inu are no exception. He stated that Shiba Inu is one of the most persistent cryptocurrencies in the world. And as the analysis shows, he was not wrong. After this growth, Shiba investors began to be interested in the following goals. According to analysts, there is no reason why Shiba Inu, which gained momentum after the Kraken listing news, should not explode upwards if it holds above the critical resistance level of $0.000050. SHIB, which may retest its previous peak, may approach its target of $0.0001 after some accumulation in this region. According to some analysts, the first strong resistance area that SHIB will meet if it continues to grow is the $0.000077 line. It is said that if the altcoin, which is expected to grow in December and January, is in the expected zone, SHIB can remove 0 and rise to about $0.00017 as a peak. It should be said that this growth of Shiba is not just a Kraken listing. Shiba developer Satoshi Kusama, who shared on Twitter, announced that they will be working on a metaverse platform project in 2022. Our understanding of the metaverse will be very different from Facebook, Kusama said. The Shiba team has signed a contract with renowned game development expert William David to develop the project. The greater fool theory has been known for centuries. According to it, you can make money by purchasing securities, goods, regardless of their value, and then sell at a profit because there will be those who count on being able to quickly resell the asset at a profit. This is the theory of the greater fool, stupider, greater fool. A standard example of the greater fool theory in the world of finance is the Tulip Crisis, tulip mania, in Holland in the 1630s. Then the price of tulips rose sharply, and then, after a short period of time, also sharply collapsed. A similar situation was repeated hundreds of times later, and this theory still works and shows that it can also be used in the cryptocurrency market. One example of its use may be the famous meme currency Shiba Inu. Recall that the token was created by a certain entity under the nickname Reshi. Nothing else is known about this user, which is already alarming. The technical documentation of the project says that Shiba Inu is an experiment to create spontaneous decentralized communities. The creator thus confirmed that the token is nothing more than an expression of a social experiment, the purpose of which is to understand how communities are created and to determine how risky traders work. From the very beginning, the token was not created for financial investments. This is a very important point, which is directly indicated in the technical documentation. But who will read the technical documentation? Thus, it turns out that since this token is an experiment, then its such a high price just indicates that the theory of the greater fool acts again and again. Investors acquire an asset without thinking about what its real and practical value is, hoping that they will resell it to someone else who is still a bigger fool. Yes, everyone has the right to acquire any asset and assume that it will bring profit. Yes, the Shiba Inu token has risen in price by more than 829% in a month, but the price may also collapse sharply, as it happened today with another Squid Game token, which fell to $0.0008 in just a couple of hours from more than $2,000. The risks of Shiba Inu are that the technological component of the project is not really created. There is very little data about the creator and the team. And this is now the first sign that the token and the ecosystem are extremely vulnerable. The exchange rate of the coin directly depends on the expressions of key persons and nothing else. The fundamental value has not been determined. There are no mechanisms that could be compensators for the decline in interest from users and other projects. Thus, Shiba Inu is a vivid example of a project that is in the red risk zone. And given the fact that it was created from the very beginning as an experiment to study the actions of risky traders, the probability of losing a deposit is extremely high. But while the hype continues, and the theory of a bigger fool is waiting in the wings to prove its worth again. What caused such a rapid rally? Most likely, this was influenced again by Elon Musk, who posted a photo of a new Floki Frunk puppy on his Twitter page. Despite the fact that Elon Musk did not directly point to Shiba Inu, it still led to the fact that the coin skyrocketed in price. However, this was quite expected. At the end of June, Elon Musk already promised his Twitter followers that he would soon introduce them to a puppy called Floki. Note that Elon Musk has been criticized many times by the cryptocurrency community, indicating to him that he is extremely inconsistent in his statements. Do you think Shiba Inu will be able to stay at this level? Look for answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then please like it and subscribe to the channel.